Alright, what up, y'all? So, we back with the Jag again. So, you know I've been having this no start, no crank issue. So, bought a new starter button. This was like $30. So, that didn't fix it. This is the old button. I don't know why I'm showing y'all that. But, anyway, new starter button, ignition switch, didn't fix it. Took the battery out, charged the battery, that didn't fix it. Tried mess with the starter, that didn't fix it. Turns out it's a fuse for the starter, which is not listed anywhere, but I found it. It's a 400 amp fuse that's in the back of the trunk. In the back, this little cover here is behind the spare tire. So lift this up. You gotta get the spare tire out because you won't be able to really work on it with the tire in there. So spare tire gotta come out. Get that out the way. You need a 13 millimeter. Unplug the battery first. It's 10 millimeter bolt for that. Unplug that, get you a 13 millimeter socket, and it'll be these two wires right here. That's where your fuse is gonna be. 400 amp fuse sitting right there. If you want, you can take that fuse off, put the two cables together, and then try to crank it. If it cranks, then you know that the fuse is bad. But yeah, first wire right here, that's going from the battery to that. Second wire is what actually goes to the starter. So there you go.